Welcome to this video, where we will guide you step by step on how to turn on the Avoid Ferries option in the Waze app on your phone. This feature is very useful if you want to avoid routes that include ferry crossings during your navigation. By following a few simple steps, you can customize your route preferences easily. First, open the Waze app on your smartphone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then, scroll down the menu and tap on the Settings option. Now, inside the Settings menu, tap on the Navigation option. This section controls how Waze chooses your routes and which roads it prefers or avoids. Finally, in the Navigation menu, locate the Avoid Ferries option. Turn this setting on by tapping the toggle switch. Once activated, Waze will automatically avoid ferry routes when calculating your directions. In conclusion, by following these simple steps, you can easily enable the Avoid Ferries feature on Waze to ensure your routes exclude ferry crossings. This makes your driving experience smoother and better tailored to your preferences. Thank you for watching.